Welcome to Arya's Learning Academy. In UGC NET Education, in paper 2, so many subjects, especially so many topics are added newly. Recently, the last two NET Education exams, it was asking. So especially Indian thinkers, new thinkers were added in that, especially Western thinkers as well as Indian thinkers were added. One among them is Savitri Bhai Phule. Savitri by Phule. So, today we are discussing on Savitri by Phule. Savitri by Phule. Okay, let's start the topic. See, Savitri Bai Phule was a famous Indian educationalist. She was a famous Indian educationalist and she was born in 1831, 3rd January. She was born in 1831, 3rd January. 3rd Jan. Jan 3rd, 1831. She was born in Jan 3rd, 1831 in Maharashtra. So, Maharashtra. She was born in 1831, January 3rd in Maharashtra. And see, why Savitri Bai Phule is important, she has been known as Lord many names. So that all the names which we are discussing today's class. See, first I will start with Savitri Bai Phule is known as Mother of Modern Education. First question, who is known as Mother of Modern Education? Mother of Modern Education. So, Savitri Bai Phule is known as Mother of Modern Education. And second is Mother of Indian Feminism. So, Savitri Bai Phule is known as Mother of Indian Feminism. Mother of Indian Feminism. Another, see, Savitri Bai Phule is known as first female teacher in India as well as the world. First female teacher. Okay, so first female teacher, mother of Indian feminism, mother of modern education. Okay, all these questions, one answer, that is Savitri Bai Phule. Okay, another one, so many important she has. First Indian educationalist, especially women educationalist, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ female educationalist of India. First female educationalist of India. First female educationalist of India. Then again, first female poet. First female poet. Okay, first female poet. So female poet is called as poetess. So you don't have to write female. So first poetess in India. Now you know that how many that names are there for Savitri Bai Phule. See, once again I will repeat. Savitri Bai Phule was a famous Indian educationalist, women educationalist, and she was born in 1831, 3rd Jan at Maharashtra, and she is also known as Mother of Modern Education. First question, Mother of Modern Education. Who is the Mother of Modern Education? Savitri Bai Phule. Second question, Mother of Indian Feminism. Savitri Bai Phule. Third question, first female teacher in India. In the world itself, she is known as first female teacher, Savitribai Phule. Then fourth question, first women educationalist in India. Then first poetess in India. All are having one answer, that is Savitribai Phule. Okay. Then, and along with that, Savitribai Phule is also known as an anti-infanticide activist. Also known as anti-infanticide activist. So, these all are the characteristics, especially these all are the peculiarities of Savitribai Phule, which is to be added in UGC NET syllabus, or as an educational studying people, we have to study all these peculiarities of Savitribai Phule. Okay, now you understood? Okay, just let me wrap this and we'll discuss more about her. Okay, and Savitribai Phule was at the very young age, when she was on 9-year-old, she got married to Jyoti Rao Phule. Maybe Jyoti Rao Phule you may be knowing very well. So he was a great social reformer and he influenced her a lot. And after getting seen, at very young age, at 9-year-old, she got married to Jyoti Rao Phule. Okay. Jyoti Rao Phule. Jyoti Rao Phule at the age of 9. 9-year-old, when she was on 9-year-old, she got married to Jyoti Rao Phule. And after that, Jyoti Rao Phule sent her to school. Okay. Jyoti Rao Phule sent her to school. And she started learning and she learned a lot. And put together, because he was a social reformer and she supported him a lot for his own activities of social reforming activity, and they worked together for the upliftment of women, especially they worked for women's rights and they worked for the freedom of women and they worked for the educating women. Especially at that time, the women education was not at all common. And whenever the women, those who are going for education purpose, they were scolded at that time. So that kind of situation, Jyoti Rao Phule and Savitribai Phule were tried a lot for bringing back women to the front line. And they started a school in India. Okay, in India, at Pune, they started a school in 1848 in Pune. The school, especially the school for girls. The first school started for girls was started by Jyoti Rao Phule. So, we can say that Savitribai Phule also was involved in that. Okay, started in 1848 at Pune and the school's name was Bidewada. Okay, the school started at Pune in 1848 for girls. The education of girl child was much more important at that time. But for them, actually, it was not considered as common feature. But they started, despite of all the hurdles, they started a school for girls in 1848 at Pune, Bidewada. Okay, and the first school for girls I told, and along with that, they started literacy mission. In 1854-55, they started literacy mission and also they established Mahila Seva Mandal. Established Mahila Seva Mandal. established Mahila Seva Mandal, and along with that, what I would say, that is they started literacy mission. Okay, started literacy mission. Literacy mission was started in 1854-55. Okay, this also started, and adding to that, see, you may be knowing that Satyashodhak Samaj. Satyashodhak Samaj means Society for Truth Seeking. Okay, Satyashodhak Samaj. Satyashodhak Samaj was started by Jyotirao Phule, and which was the Savitribai Phule was supported a lot for him. See, Satyashodhak Samaj, maybe that will be added to this, maybe in UGC net the question would have come, Satyashodhak Samaj, the question would have come. Why? Because Savitribai Phule is also involved in the working of Satyashodhak Samaj as well. Okay. So, Satyashodhak Samaj was started by Jyotirao Phule with the help of Savitribai Phule. Actually, this was founded in 1873. Satyashodhak Samaj was started in 1873. Okay. Then, so now you understood what all are the things which Savitribai Phule was done. So, adding to that, Savitribai Phule was, I told you she was a famous poet and she was a great educationalist also. Okay, and she's wrote very few books also, and that books also you must be knowing. Okay, the first book, that the important one is Go Get Education. The first book, Go Get Education. Go Get Education. That is one work was done by Savitribai Phule. And the second one, that is Kavya Phule. Okay, Kavya Phule. Maybe you are able to distinguish from where that. Okay, second is Kavya Phule, and this is actually, Kavya Phule is the first book where she wrote, and this was a poetry only, Kavya Phule. And the third one was Bhavan Kashi Subodh Ratnagar. Bhavan Kashi Subodh Ratnagar. That was also written by Savitribai Phule. And adding to that, she started Home for Prevention of Infanticides. Infanticide, I told you that she is also known as anti-infanticides activist. She is also known as anti-infanticide activist. So, she started a women's shelter. So, shelter for women also, along with prevention of infanticide. Start a home for prevention of infanticides. Okay. So, these were the important points about Savitribai Phule, and with that, Savitribai Phule was died on 10th March 1897. So she born at 1831 and died on 10th March 1897. So she died in 10th March 1897. Savitribai Phule was died on 10th March 1897. Okay, and with this, all these things are done. So, considering all the contributions of Savitribai Phule to the education, see, Pune University renamed as Savitribai Phule Pune University. Which university? Pune University. See, there may be question may come like this. So, which university has given the name of Savitribai Phule recently? That is, answer is Pune University. Other way the question may ask like this. See, which educationalist's name is given by Pune University recently, or which Pune University is renamed with the name of great educationalist. Which educationalist name is there? So the answer is Savitribai Phule. Okay, now we will discuss lot many questions. One is, who is Savitribai Phule and when she was born? Okay, 1831, 3rd Jan, and died on 10th March 1897. Okay, and adding to that, mother of modern girls education, mother of Indian feminism, mother of anti-infanticide activist, and first female teacher in India and the world, and the first educationalist of India, and first female poetess. And her works also you must be remember. And adding to that, she started Mahila Seva Mandal along with her husband Jyotirao Phule. Then literacy mission in 1854-55. Satyashodak Samaj also. Jyotirao Phule started in 1873, but after that all the works or all the responsibilities of Satyashodak Samaj was taken by Savitribai Phule. And the Satyashodak Samaj, the meaning is nothing. It is Society for Truth Seeking. Society for Truth Seeking. Okay, so that's all about Savitribai Phule. Prepare in many of my classes and all my YouTube classes, I used to tell you that prepare the questions. See, whatever you learn from the videos, or whatever you getting from the videos, not from my other videos also. Okay, so you just prepare the questions, one by one questions. This also maybe you are able to create close to 15 questions from this. So prepare the question and learn well. Thank you all. So ellarku ishtapettu video anu vicharikkunnu. So thank you all, and please like and subscribe my channel, Arya's Learning Academy.